This is what I would tell Ralph Abramson. I would have said the same thing to Rupert Sheldrake. I would say the same thing to Ralph Abramson. I figure you guys realize when it comes to mathematics and geometry, when you go into the spiritual realm, right? Because this is how it works. Something that is dead, something that is a dead-like magnet, right, cannot capture something, okay? It cannot capture a picture. It can't take a picture of you. So if it can't take a picture of you, it can't capture you, which means it can't capture your soul energy. And the reason that it can't capture your soul energy is because the spirit, which is the teacher, is an eternal spirit of fire. So it cannot catch up to the eternal spirit of fire, which is the first music teacher, Terrence. Ralph? Yeah. That means that the whole idea of self-organizing itself, it's self-organizing itself at such a high rate of speed. Think of the libraries that it's keeping. No memory and memory. Creating something new at every spin rotation of a magnetic circuit in matter. So it's never experiencing anything old. It's always experiencing now time. Now time is forever and always on. Always on. That's the eternal spirit of fire that's always on. So if it cannot capture the eternal spirit of fire, that spirit is free to create. That's called an eternal license to experience being free of capture. You cannot capture the eternal spirit of fire. That's an eternal star, which is an eternal sphere of light. That's the first camera. Blinking the eyes so fast. Right? Matter state, no matter state. No memories, no battery required. Right? Zero errors, 0 ohms, experiencing direct current. The highest speed acceleration of God's, the one true God, which is knowing yourself, which is called self-knowledge, which is knowing what's true. Love is what's true. Love is the truth. Because love is a light. Because love is what love is what light is. Light is what love is. Love, which is light, is experiencing the eternal spirit of fire that is in that light, so that that sun is always on and never off, which is always awake. We're never asleep. And the reason that we're never asleep is because we're always on guard. The Guardians. The Guardians are the first universal and galactic template. Yeah. Thank you, fellas. The three amigos. 3 in 1. The relationship between H2O, 3, and 1. Right? 1. Yeah, that's why, the base. The point of origin of the base. Right? The flash point, the ignition point of spark that lit the fire. Spark of light, right? There goes the fire. The first candle, the first pole, the first rod and staff, the vertical and horizontal stabilizer in an eternal sun. We're always on duty. Remember, ever ready duty batteries, heavy duty batteries? I know. Batteries, acid and alkaline. Base, Have a good evening. We love you all. Be good to yourselves.